Hey guys, it's Jay here. Welcome to this video of unboxing a Lenovo Thinkpad P17, the first video of its kind on YouTube.
But first, let's take a look at my custom configuration for my Thinkpad P17.
Alright, so I ordered this on, I believe, October 18, 2020. It got shipped October 23rd. Not too bad turnaround for Lenovo. And it made its way through China, Japan, Anchorage, Kentucky, and now here in Virginia. And they tried to deliver it yesterday, but I wasn't here to sign for it, so I said, you know what, let's send it to an access point at UPS. Just went and picked it up at Advanced Auto. Here it is. Just got it literally 10 minutes ago. And let's do an unboxing, shall we? Alright, so I got my knife here. Let's break the seal. See if this thing is as easy to open as it looks. Not too shabby. I believe this is where all the accessories are. Alright, and they definitely have it packed well. Styrofoam holding that in place. Easy to take out, easy to remove. And it's definitely heavy. I'll give you that. What else we got in here? More styrofoam. And safety and warranty guide. Cool. Alright. Covered in some plastic here, and it's pretty heavy. I mean, I have a Dell Precision M6800. I would say it's comparable in weight. And it looks like the battery is built in, kind of like an iPhone. You gotta take it apart to get to it. Can't just slide it out like a Dell Precision, but it's very well made, very vanilla in the sense of its design, but that's kind of what we're going for. We want reliability. Let's turn this bad boy around here. And one thing I am going to miss is the Dell Precision does have some buttons here for the mouse left and right, but it doesn't on the ThinkPads. It's only up here at the top, so I'll have to get used to that, but not that people usually use those if you have a wireless mouse to use. So, but look at this construction here. It's just beautiful, man. So the one I have here is the, let's bring this camera around. The Core i7 10th generation, color calibrated. This is a 4K display. I can't wait to power this up and see how nice that display is. And I did add some RAM. I got 32 gigs of RAM. Let's see if it powers up. Let's see if they charge the battery. I don't know if they charge the battery first. It's not turning on. We might have to plug this sucker in first, huh? You think they would give you a little courtesy charging, huh? Anyways, I'm going to pause the video now and come back with it booted up. Alright, so I just plugged it in and I saw some lights, so I don't think it's dead on arrival, but let's try this out. Let's center this here on the table. See the power light coming on. Let's see how fast this sucker boots up. And I'm really impressed with the display here and the keyboard. It looks really nice, and it's definitely, the pictures do not give it justice. I mean, this is really, really high quality. So it's booting up here. Now this is the first time booting up, so it might not be quick like usual. Maybe it has to do some Windows updates, but this is so nice. So the only thing that was in this box here was just the power supply and the power cable, which I have it plugged in there. It's kind of small, which is nice compared to the Dell Precision I got over there, which I'm about to sell. So it's just a moment here. I'm going to start back up again once it's done. Yeah, of course I got to do all the setup stuff, so let's do that. I'm going to reboot it again and see how it boots, see how quick it goes, and how nice that display looks once I can really see that 4K display. Alright, so Windows setup is complete, all the updates are done, so let's see how this thing boots up. Let's see how fast it is from powered down. Alright, so I just pressed the power and you can see that keyboard light up. Really nice backlit keyboard. Look at that. It's already at the main screen. The facial recognition kicked in, already logged in. That's how quick it is. And look at that 4K display. If you're watching this on a 4K monitor, or if you're even luckier like me, on a 4K laptop screen, you'll see how beautiful this thing is. It's amazing. And let's check the system information, just so I can show you exactly what kind of specs this bad boy has. Alright, so as you can see here, it's got Windows 10 Home. Of course, you can get the Pro version. It's got the i7, Intel Core i7, 2.6 gigahertz. It's got the 32 gigabytes of RAM. And look at the components over here. A display. And of course, you can see it is the 4K with 60 hertz, well, just under 60 hertz. NVIDIA Quadro T1000. It's the lowest one you can get. You can get up to, I believe, 5,000. I think it's only 4 gigabytes of video memory. So it's not much. It's basic, but I'm just using this for, you know, recording videos like this and music. The network here. Actually, let's click modem. Doesn't show here, but it's got the gigabit modem there. It's got the what's it called, Thunderbolt port on the side, which is really nice. HDMI, and the audio is pretty nice too for being a laptop. SD card slot, USB. Just close that. Take a look. There's also some more in the back. As you can see here, Ethernet, USB-C, I think that's where the Thunderbolt is, and the power. Let's lift this up again. And now what I want to see as the grand finale is the 4K video test. Let's go to YouTube. You can always count on YouTube to have some 4K videos. Let's do nature. This thing's so fast. Love it. Most beautiful places in the world in 4K. It's the first time I'm able to do this on a laptop, or any computer for that matter. Look at that. What a beautiful display. The audio is not too shabby either. And no stutter, no delay, no lag. Switching back and forth between full screen and window, not too bad either. That is just astonishing. Now, like I said, they charge an extra $300 for the 4K display, but check the description below. I'm gonna have a link to another video in which I show you how to get amazing discounts on Lenovo ThinkPads, and also some pretty good cash back offers as well. I think Rakuten's offering 8% cash back right now on Lenovo. I mean, that's more than the tax right there. So thanks for watching, folks. Hope this has been helpful. Again, Lenovo Thinkpad P17, first video of the Lenovo Thinkpad P17 on YouTube. Thanks.